I'm Sarah from Creative Ramblings, and you're watching Hometalk.
We're going to start with some plastic flower pots. You're going to need 3 small, 1 medium, and 1 large. Now we're going to spray paint them some fall colors. So set aside 2 of the small planters. You do not need to paint those. So in a well-ventilated covered surface, spray paint the outside of your pots. It's best to use a couple of really light coats. So I'm spraying these pots here, and it's definitely not going to cover on the first try. I'm going to let it dry for maybe 20 minutes and then come back and add a second, even a third coat if needed until everything is covered. Once everything is dry, we're going to dry fit these together to make sure they look how we want them to look. So 1 small pot goes in the inside of the large one, and then the medium one goes on top of that. So I've got some room around here to plant, but I actually want some more room than that. So I am going to grab a large rock. You can use pebbles, gravel, or even soil for this. And then I'm going to put that small pot back in and add the medium one on top. So once I know that this all is exactly how I want it, now I'm going to take this apart and use some E6000 glue to attach these tiers together. I want to add something unique to this pot. I am going to put my address on the front. So I'm grabbing some vinyl stickers. It's best to use stickers that are good for outdoors. So you can head to the mailbox section of your hardware store and pick up some really good adhesive vinyl stickers. And I am just going to stick them right on the front of the pot. The glue is dry and we are ready to assemble. So I've got this tier put together here. I'm just going to set that inside. And then I'm going to grab some potting soil and fill in the large pot. And I'm going to repeat the process for the top, adding in that last tier and filling it in with potting soil in the orange pot and the yellow. I'm going to fill this planter for fall. So I grabbed some hardy annuals that I know are mostly foliage and will have rich, beautiful colors for another couple of months here outdoors. So I'm going to add a few in each pot, kind of around the edges, and filling in the gaps with extra soil. I'm going to top off this planter with a yellow mum for fall. This tiered planter is a great addition to my front porch for fall, and it's going to have some beautiful color for another couple of months. I hope this inspired you to take some of those plastic pots you already have and turn them into something beautiful for your home. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.